Hello, good evening and welcome. My name is Salom and this is I find myself at the Labadi Beach Hotel where VW is launching their made in Ghana cars. Assembled in Ghana cars. And today I come to find out what it's all about and what they have in store for us.
After being entertained with these lovely exotic songs, we were called on to come together to drive the automobile industry.
Calling all second-hand dealers, come on board and let's collaborate and drive the automotive industry.
You can open the thing itself, extends to the back. The screen is going to pop up. You can video the screen. What do you see?
Oh, the display.
Do you see the speedometer?
Yeah, I see this.
It's optronic, meaning you can make it automatic or manual. Whenever you want.
This is my favorite.
You can change
feature.
the gear behind the steering wheel. Once you put it on the manual, you can change the gear with the pedals there. You can also set the terrain. If you don't do it well, it will disgrace you.
I agree.
The whole idea is you make sure the sensors catch that and it will open on its own. So the negative shock absorbers I was referring to, it's actually your full spare tire. Now, see how it's placed. I mean, does it not make sense that if something should hit you from the back, it's meant to absorb the negative energy and avoid it from getting to you in the cabin. So you guys in there will feel that something has happened behind you, but like don't feel the impact. You just press a button.
So it has been an interesting evening and I have to go, unfortunately. But then I am leaving with a thought. So with the cars that they're assembling here, are we going to have the same quality? Are they going to put it together for it to have that German quality that we've always wanted all these years? Are we going to have the same gizmos, the same toys, the same technologies that these cars have in Europe and in other markets? It's something that I'm leaving here with. And I haven't driven the car so far. They look really good. They look really put together. Quite honestly, you can't tell if they were assembled in Ghana or they were assembled outside Ghana, because so far it looks good. Now it's left with the drive. How does it drive? How does it respond? How reliable are they? All these questions are questions that we need to answer, and I hope that one day I'll get the opportunity to really get close to this car, to get intimate to the car, so I could drive them and tell you how it feels and if you can answer these questions. But for now, I'm going to sit in my Kia. In fact, I'm already sitting in my Kia and I'm going home in my Kia. Till then, bye bye.